So we've got this room here. I don't know if you've seen the other videos, but this is where we keep our off-grid solar. So all this is completely off-grid. Got the charge controller, got the combiner box, disconnects for safety, inverter, and batteries. And what we're going to be doing today is we're going to take this battery and connect another one in parallel, and that'll give us 200 amp hours but stay at 12 volts. So we'll show you how to do that right now. Alright, so the idea is to go from here to there, and I've already got an open spot. Go from here to there, and we've already got an open spot, so this should be pretty straightforward. So there it is, we're in parallel. You can see there we got 12 volts. It's upside down. You can see there we've got 12 volts. And this is an EcoFlow river. And it's an emergency battery bank, pretty much. Has 12 volts here, USBs, 120 out. I believe it's 1800 watts, but you can see here my solar is coming in at 179 watts to charge this, and it'll be fully charged in about 20 minutes. Yeah, so there it is. That's where it's going, and it goes up there to my combiner box. Which ties in and goes out to my solar panels. I've got spare extension cords for emergencies, so I can run these all around the house. And we'll plug into this. Be protected with a 10 amp or a 20 amp fuse. Right now there's a 10 amp fuse in there. That's completely off grid, and the lights in my room are completely off grid, and my whole room is actually lit up off of LEDs. So even in a full blackout situation, I've still got all the light I'll be able to run a window air conditioner, which I've already got set up. And we are completely off-grid and not dependent on nobody. So leave me a like if you guys got questions about this. If this is interesting, let me know. I just thought I'd share it here. A lot of my videos are more of inspirational than they are how-to. So a lot of my build videos you'll see, it's not very many instructions. It's more of, hey, if I can do this, so can you. And you really can. It's not that hard. So, alright, well, let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.